Yeah.
This is the type that got right on the side of a lawnmower. Or like a lighter.
What is that?
Rat snake.
So that's a rat snake. Is he alive?
Yeah, he's alive.
Let me see.
What's up?
Let's get a close up on his face. Hey, little boy. You gonna bite me?
Nah, he's actually gotten friendly.
Yes.
They're not a very willing to bite rat snakes, so.
Where'd you catch him at?
I caught him on the tree. I mean, he was just coming down the tree like nobody's business.
Just now?
Yep. Well, no, actually earlier today.
Yeah.
So I've had him for quite a few hours.
You just reached in there and picked him up.
Yep, pretty much.
Deuce, you see that snake?
He's like, oh, let me at him, let me at him.
Look at him, he don't know what to do.
Oh, yeah.
What else have you caught lately?
Whoa. Nothing. This is the only thing I caught.
Well.